on.
What are you cooking?
No, it's green. Green's up there.
Yeah, green is up there on the hood.
Hot.
Be careful. What are you cooking?
It's hot.
What is it? What's in the pot?
No, it's a daddy pot.
What's in there?
No, it's a pole. It's a daddy pole.
Is it chili?
Careful, it's that grass. The door is here.
Is that chili?
No, it's the door.
No.
The door. No, it's just hot. It's a waterfall.
Yeah, it's hot. Don't make a waterfall.
I got you. Spiker. The spiker. The left fork. The left fork. Fork.
It's a spatula.
A spatula. It's a red spatula.
It is a red spatula and a blue spatula.
No, it's a purple spatula.
That's blue, baby.
It's a blue. It's a door. It's a door.
Okay.
It's a door.
Well, I think it's about done. We can eat it now.
Uh-oh.
You want to eat it?
Nope.
But you made such good chili. You don't want to eat your chili?
Nope. It's a orange chili. The orange soup.
Yeah.
Huge soup. The soup.
Okay.
Pet, pet. Pet, pet. It's the biggest sound. Pet, pet.
That's the sound for pig, huh?
P. Pet, pet. Yeah.
Like a puppy?
A puppy.
Puppy starts with P. Puh.
Puppy. P. P.